Ever feel like no matter how much coffee you drink, you are still running on empty? Meet Tom. He believed longer hours equaled bigger success. But his friend Bob chose something different. He chose rest. Tom kept pushing harder. More coffee, more late nights, more stress. He juggled emails, deadlines, and endless meetings, convinced effort always equaled results. Meanwhile, Bob slept peacefully, his energy quietly restoring. Tom thought Bob was lazy. Bob knew something Tom did not. The harder Tom worked, the less he actually accomplished. His focus scattered. Simple tasks felt impossible. His body ached, his mind raced, yet nothing got done. Burnout is sneaky like that. It whispers lies about productivity while stealing your actual power. Then one night at 2 a.m., staring at his computer screen with burning eyes and an empty coffee cup, Tom finally crashed. No energy, no focus, no joy. Everything he worked for felt meaningless. He had given everything to his work, but what had his work given him back? That is when Tom saw Bob the next morning, energized and smiling, and something clicked. A light bulb moment. Rest is not wasted time. Rest multiplies time. Every yes to overwork was actually a no to himself. Recovery is not the opposite of productivity. Recovery is what makes real productivity possible. So Tom tried something radical. He slept 8 hours. He took breaks. Set boundaries with his phone. He gave his body and mind permission to heal. Slowly, like a phone charging overnight, his energy returned. What once felt drained now felt alive again. The result? Tom did not just survive his days anymore. He moved through them with clarity, strength, and purpose. He and Bob now jog together in the mornings, both energized, both present. Tom learned the hardest lesson of all. Burnout is not solved by working more. It is healed by choosing yourself. The hidden cost of burnout is your life force. But recovery? That is how you reclaim your power.